we are going to be unboxing the K&H Manufacturing Thermo-Poultry Heated Waterer. It's getting cold here in Minnesota, so we decided we needed something so the water for the chickens didn't freeze. And after a little research, I came up with this. I think this one will be our best option. Ooh, you open it up, and you get the chicken waterer. And if you see, it's got this, so you can strain out all the stuff that chickens kick up in it. And then the shape of it also allows it so none of them can roost up there and poop down in the water. It's thermostatically controlled to keep ice water for chickens all winter long. Spill-proof cap for zero water spillage when carrying and replacing onto base. Water filter ring easily removes debris from trough, and it's 2.5 gallon tank. Perch-proof design. Take it apart. See how it goes. Open this up. The spill-proof design is it's got a little rubber plug there that you close, and then you fill it up and do this, and you can carry it in there, and then when you set it on, that little plug pops up. I don't think I have it on there right. Oh no, that's on there right. And then it just sits there and keeps the water from freezing. So, that is the unboxing of the K&H Manufacturing Thermo-Poultry Heated Waterer.